This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's dig into the details, guys. I'm stepping away from dinner real quickly. Just arrived in La Jolla today. I want to talk about a brand new pattern. First of all, hit the like button. Shout out new HQ incoming in La Jolla, California. And you understand, I brought you the dominoes, guys. What needed to fall? First of all, the first. Remember this, guys, and shout out to the VIP. Huge trades on our new indicator, Fire and Ice. Hugely successful. Take a look at the first domino to fall. Boom, on the daily time frame. This specific ascending triangulation, it completed. Congratulations to the bulls and to all the VIP who are trading. #1 trade group, over 130 VIP joined the first month more than any other group, guys. We are the #1 team. Now, in terms of the second domino to fall, I want to put it into context. Take a look at the new pattern formation. VIP, I know you're excited about this right now. Pay attention. Look at the expansion that I have identified. This is on the daily time frame. Yes, there are other levels of resistance currently in play. I want to focus on this specific pattern with a hit at the support, hit at resistance, with hits at support, a hit at resistance, with, I would call this a rounded bottom. And in addition, right now with the trajectory, it could be viewed as a somewhat of a partial return, which could increase the likelihood of breaking this line of resistance on what we would call a bell formation, a bump and run variation, or expanding wedge decreasing. Looking at the framework, what's going to be required? First of all, I'll tell you what's exciting about these patterns. Very important is the, let's go into the, where is my trend based? Look at this, guys. In terms of the measurement, the amplitude from the low to the high, we're going to measure our extensions. Click 1 at the bottom of the formation. Click 2 at the top left. Click 3 at wherever the point of breakout is. We have probabilities. You understand, we're a probability-based trade group. We have probabilities for reaching the height of the pattern, okay, the full height of the pattern. We have probabilities of reaching 100% of the amplitude of the pattern, guys. We also have probabilities for reaching 200% and 300%. Guys, this is an exciting pattern to look at. I don't want you to FOMO if you have not been trading thus far. The one thing that I'll technically tell you is that you need to go to the candle wicks, without a doubt. Go to the candle wicks. You'll see the multiple hits along the level of resistance. Resistance currently stopped right at that resistance that I pointed out to you yesterday, right? We had the included ascending triangle, which broke out to the upside. I'll let you know there are orders here right now. Longs are waiting below at the preceding resistance. What will be required is that we break through to simply avoid going back down to the preceding resistance, which we commonly see. Pay attention. We need to break this specific preceding let's say level of resistance, hit 1 and hit 2. We need to get up and above and traject over this formation, let's say this level of resistance across the top. Just a big potential mover, guys. I have to be honest, a big potential mover in the market. What's going to be required? Momentum. I've done the diagnostics on the 8-hourly, 4-hourly. You're looking good with the daily. Also, the weekly is looking strong. But you're going to need to get, I'll tell you guys, you're going to need to get the breakout over this specific level. Let me just highlight this one more time. Essentially, this level here of resistance, it must be broken. We need to set a candle up and over. Now, in terms of the additional TA, what did I want to bring to you? Of course, guys, from the New York Institute of Finance, they're recognized. Now, let's pay attention to this. Let's get rid of the patterns for a moment. They're recognized, and guys, I appreciate your patience while I'm going through a little bit of a transition. This week's going to be a great setup. We will be in the mini HQ on Saturday, and we're working on computer plug-ins, etc. right now. Look at this crossover on the daily. Look at the crossover on the daily. Do you see the red crossing over the blue? What is that? That's the 9 currently. The 9 on the daily, 9 moving average crossing over the 18 moving average. I bring this to your attention because the New York Institute of Finance particularly uses the 9 over the 18. It's a primary indicator for futures traders. You see precedingly, yes, the 9 over the 18, bam, was a nice indication of the run up to that $25,000 plus. That was the key instigator that we covered then. And we had a breakdown of the 9 under the 18, boom, at this level. Look at the trajectory to the downside. We had a fake out in this zone. Remember, I brought this to your attention with a warning as to the momentum, without a doubt, a warning as to the momentum as it was paired with, or not paired with, a breakout of the 9 over that 18. It was a nice whipsaw event. So looking at the current 9 over the 18, I will tell you this, it's not uncommon to retest these specific moving averages. Be prepared for volatility. It's not the time for FOMO, guys. It's just not. Respect your patterns. I'll tell you, the VIP are trading phenomenally well on our indicator, without a doubt. Fire and ice has been extremely successful. Take a look at the hourly very quickly. Look at the number of hits today, the number of shorts that have been had by the VIP. Boom, you're talking about almost well over a point and a half. Look at that, 1.76% on that first short along the way up. Look at this short, maximized out at just about 2%. Guys, big moves, great indicators, just clear labels, just very nicely done. Very excited to bring that to the VIP in 2022, and we are building. We're excited to invite you to join. I let you know that breakout level that we have. Look at the 4 hourly real quickly on the indicator. You'll get an idea. The ice cold short, yes guys, that ice cold short is up and above, looking at a target up and above. We're excited about the potential to engage in a short with some positive price action. I'm excited about the trades for VIP. Let's take a look today. Some huge trades in the back. I want to let you know in terms of a signal, an alpha signal. If you had invested, guys, I said there was a 20% chance of you going down. $593,000 on margin. If you had invested that, guys, with a price action today, that was a $133,000 move. This information is for my alphas, guys. 22.55% on the move. Congratulations to any of those alphas that traded. Want to talk about JMac. Look at JMac on the indicator, rocking and rolling, a 375% move on a long. Look at a 92.4% on another long. Just love to see these just stacked up. 52.58% on another trade. Then on a short, I was a long, then a short 57.85%. Let's take a look at a few more trades, and I'm excited for Sidra. Sidra, his first trade on fire and ice. Look, he says, my first win, fire and ice. Look at that, guys. He's new to trading. How fantastic, Sidra. Congratulations, 35% on a short. That makes me so excited, Sidra. Way to go, my man. Way to trade. And let's take a look at Venus rocking the house again, guys. 305%. That was earlier in the day. That was a long. I know she is. She's just killing the market every day. So exciting to see that. I want to invite you guys to join today. We will trade the breakout. One caveat. Let's look at one caveat here. Just a little bit of a complication. And in terms of the 4 hourly is expressing this specific this line of resistance across the top. We want this line to be flat, okay? So this is a level of variability. I'd say an inconsistency between the line chart on the 4 hourly with the ascending line of resistance, and thereafter we have a nice flat top resistance. If we were to look at this, let me take those trend-based fib extensions off, but the preceding, look at the hits here, how we established on the candle wicks, line of resistance, and we've respected that line of resistance. I'll tell you what I would like to see from the bulls, okay, what I would like to see is us to return to the level of resistance, to begin to knock on that door of the resistance, and it become just clearly obvious that the more hits we're giving on the line of resistance, that bam, we are ready to move to the upside. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, and not financial advice. Guys, take care of yourself. We'll talk to you soon. We'll be doing normal videos tomorrow. Guys, thanks to all the new VIP joining. What a great year 2022 we are building. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.